Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is SWAT Team Tracks Down Wanted Predator. All right, so let's get into it. Let's see what they're talking about here.
24. Deputies with the Frederick County Sheriff's Office in Maryland were dispatched to the Super 8 motel in an attempt to locate 45-year-old Jack Edgar Primer of Freedom, Pennsylvania. Primer was wanted on a felony warrant out of Beaver County, Pennsylvania for child sexual assault, abuse, and possession of child pornography. Deputies located Primer's vehicle in the parking lot, confirmed which room he was in, and moved in for the arrest. Unknown to officers at the time, Primer was armed with a loaded gun.
Sheriff's office.
Weirdos, man.
Sheriff's office, come to the door.
What do you want?
We need to talk to you.
About what?
You know what? Open the door. Now.
I'll tell you right now, I got a gun.
So do we. Open the door with your hands up. Now. Now.
Get dressed.
He's talking to us through the door. He's claiming to have the 1032.
No, open the door now. We'll figure that out. Come out now.
Get dressed.
Open the door.
Watch your crossfire.
Hey. Yeah, come closer. Get behind over there. Open the door. Come now. Hey, get less lethal. You got your camera on?
Mr. Primer, open the door!
Now!
Getting dressed.
Come out with your hands up. We don't want anybody to get hurt. Mr. Primer,
Yes.
it's time to open the door.
Jared, you got hands?
Man, these weirdos need to be extinct, man. You sitting there messing with kids? What? What? You could tell by the mugshot he was a creep, man. You could tell. Let's run the mugshot back. Like, you could tell, dude. Like, come on, man. Come on, man. You know he ain't getting no grown women, man. This guy's a lost cause. This a wrap for him, man. Hopefully the cops do the right thing, man. Exterminator, you hear me? Messing with kids.
Time to open the door.
Jared, you got hands?
You got your blanket, you open the door.
I'm moving over there. All right, switching hands. Come out now. Come out now. You know you have a warrant. Come out now. Right now. You have a warrant. You're under arrest. Come out right now. Open the door and come out now.
With your hands up, slowly. Yeah, for now. Mr. Primer, we're not going anywhere. Let's end this peacefully.
Through the next hour, officers held their position and waited for heavy armor, additional units, and for SWAT teams to take over. Officers then took up firing positions, ensuring that Primer could not escape from his window. What happened next took everyone by surprise.
Hold on. Drop it! Drop it!
You have gas?
Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop it!
A second angle from a hotel security camera captured a better view of what appeared to be the suspect brandishing a handgun.
Oh, he must have thought it was a joke. You gonna come out with the glizzy? What? Oh, yeah.
Drop the gun! All right, gun's out in the hallway. Come out now!
Yeah, but that's just one of them. I thought he said he got a
We're not.
shotgun.
Let the dust settle.
Gun in there?
Hang on. That's right.
Yes, we're trying. Yeah, I think.
I don't know.
Want to know what? Anyone else here?
What did you?
Just come on, man. I'm not dangerous.
He's out. He's back in his room.
All right, it's fine. We're not doing anything.
Hey, keep your hands in the air. Hands in the air. Get your mask. Get in here. Get your mask. Hands in the air. Get in here. Get your mask.
I'm not dangerous, as if you didn't just try to shoot the cop.
That's all right. That's all right. Don't move! All right, listen. He's down over there. We need to move up in hands.
Okay.
Who's got hands? We're moving up. Got hands.
You guys got hands?
Yep. Ready? No. Whoever's got hands. Mendez, come out. We're coming. Do not move.
Don't move.
We need
Moving
hands
forward.
with gloves. Hands with gloves. Do not move.
I have one glove.
Do not move. Do not move. Do not move. Do not move.
What's up, pellet gun?
Okay. All right. Take him in costume. All right. Turn. We gotta get in cuffs.
I got. Turn him
I
off.
can't move.
Move it. Move it. All right, hang on.
Start EMS.
Get back to the room.
That's how you know it's serious. That boy would have rather been taken out by the cops, because he gotta know, going out there, whether it's a pellet gun, BB gun, water gun, whatever, real gun, whatever. By going out there with them cops there like that, man, they gonna put you down. So he know prison or jail or whatever you want to call it is gonna be such hell on earth for him, because of his crime that he's alleged have done or whatever, that he would rather check himself out. Facts.
Stairwell. Please, stairwell. We're going stairwell.
All right, you're good. You're good. You're good.
We need a med kit if somebody.
We need one for this room. I got you. Going good? Yep. But you got the sheriff's office. You need a room. Make yourself known.
Not a tourniquet. Gonna need balls.
Here's your balls right here. This is quick part balls.
Sheriff's office.
More. We have more. Or... We need to check the other side too. Yep. What about on the other side? We need to check the other side still. Flip them.
Does anybody have more balls? EMS is coming. I don't see any. They're coming up. Here.
Shot in the stomach. In your stomach? He says he's hitting the stomach somewhere.
I see a hole there. Where? One hole right in the stomach.
This?
Right
No,
there.
that's
Right where you just touched.
That's not a hole. That's. Oh yeah, it is. It is a hole.
One there, one in there. I think one underneath the armpit, maybe right there.
It could be exit or I don't know. Hit me in the foot too. In your foot? He's got something in his
foot. He said his
tourniquet on a leg.
The handgun that Primer brandished turned out to be a Crossman SNR 357, which is designed to shoot BBs or pellets. According to a press release put out by the Frederick County Sheriff's Office, Primer was transported to the University of Maryland Shock Trauma Unit in Baltimore by Maryland State Police helicopter, where he was stabilized and survived his wounds. According to Maryland court documents, Primer was extradited to Pennsylvania on August 27, 2024. Pennsylvania court documents reveal that Primer faces 31 felony counts of child sex abuse by photographing a sex act, 230 felony counts of child pornography, 1 count of criminal use of a communication facility, and a misdemeanor count of corruption of minors. He also faces a second case stemming from previous criminal acts allegedly committed in 2021, which involve a laundry list of felonies including 2 counts of involuntary, deviant sexual intercourse of a person less than 16 years of age, 2 counts of rape threat of forcible compulsion, 2 counts of sexual assault, aggravated indecent assault of a minor, statutory sexual assault of a child 8 to 11 years old, unlawful sexual contact with a minor, 2 counts of corruption of minors, 2 counts of rape of an unconscious victim, and 51 counts of indecent assault of a person less than 13 years of age. Primer also faces a third trial where he was charged with 15 felony counts of child pornography and a single felony count of criminal use of a communication facility stemming from alleged crimes committed in 2017. As of March 3rd, a hearing was scheduled for April 1st, 2025 to consolidate all cases for trial. Midwest Safety independently verified that Jack Primer is currently being held at Beaver County Jail awaiting trial. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court.
Man, his ass guilty. His ass ain't no innocent until proven nothing. Innocent until proven nothing. His ass is guilty. This guy is a sicko. Them cops should have checked him right out of here, man. As soon as he came out with that pellet gun. What? Oh yeah, we gonna see you in the afterlife, my boy. This guy is sick. Sick. What? 3 cases? Unconscious minors, minors. Like this, you. What the frick? Man, you should have got one to the dome, bruh. One to the. They hit you in, because I know when I was in corrections, we was taught shoot center mass. You know what I'm saying? You can't shoot headshots. You know what I'm saying? Shit, we go to the range and practice, but realistically, they teach you to, center mass. You know what I'm saying? Chest, stomach. That's where they want you to shoot. So it doesn't surprise me that the SWAT team, if they're taught the same, to hit center mass, you know what I mean? I understand it. But man, once you hear this guy's crime, you just gotta be like, shit, I'm not a sniper, you feel me? Shit, but I'm gonna hit you one to the dome, you hear? Bow. Get you up out of here, boy, because that's where you need to be. What? Justice for the victims. Justice is not him sitting in jail for, because they don't even be giving pedos crazy amount of time like that. They give pedos like 3 years, 2 years, 6 months. They don't even be giving pedos no real time like that. That's why they get their justice in jail. Facts. That's where the real justice come from, in jail. You know what I'm saying? But this guy, he needed to meet his maker. I ain't gonna lie to you, boy. This guy is a nut job. What? One to the dome. I'm gonna catch you out of here. Yeah, justice for the victims. You feel me?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.